Little kid went to beach, left his phone under the sun, and this is what happened to his phone. You cannot see anything clearly and touchscreen is not working. Is it fixable? Let's find out. Let's put the phone in rice and see if it's gonna work. 160 calories. Let's dive in.
Five minutes later.
Well, that seems like it didn't work and we got rice stuck inside the charging port. We're gonna go ahead and replace the screen. We got more over here. Your phone is ready, sir. Now you can go ahead and serve your iPhone with the rice.